Quality of SAP implementation at PJSC Ukrtransgaz was confirmed by Deloitte. On the July 27, 2013, Deloitte team of auditors presented a comprehensive audit report on SAP implementation at PJSC Ukrtransgaz of multi-purpose automated control system MACS. Step-by-step inspection of quality of SAP implementation aimed to project implementation assessment, correspondence to business needs and acceptance of implemented solutions by business, by method of SAP current solution, comparative with Deloitte global experience, relating to implementation and analysis of such solution in oil and gas industry and other industries. Deloitte auditors stated that during SAP project implementation at PJSC Ukrtransgaz were used sure project management practices and efficient main elements of implementation methods relating to control, making solutions and control. Project documentation, design solutions, MACS system configuration were workmanlike. Deloitte auditors confirmed that implemented system MACS on the basis of SAP ERP software was recognized as main accounting system at PJSC Ukrtransgaz, and this system is a basis for future development. What was the main purpose of audit at Ukrtransgaz?
The purpose of the Deloitte quality review at Ukrtransgaz was to review the quality of the SAP implementation and to confirm to what extent the business requirements and the project goals have been met, and to confirm and to compare that with the Deloitte experience in other similar SAP implementations in the natural resources industries.
Second question is
audit stages.
What was Transgaz?
Our quality review conducted 5 distinct phases. The first one was an overview and establishment of the scope per functional area of the SAP project. The second stage involved a system review both of the solution design and of the system configuration and documentation. The third step involved an analysis then of the actual project solution and training documentation. The fourth step included a review and a discussion and interview with the business process leaders, and the final step involved interviews and discussions with the end users to understand to what extent the business requirements have been met and to what extent the solution actually meets these business challenges.
What is your assessment of the project as a whole and also implemented functionality?
We are very impressed with what the Ukrtransgaz SAP implementation team has achieved. They set out against a very aggressive time frame, and they've met that time frame. They implemented an extensive SAP solution in such an aggressive time frame, and they managed to do that successfully. The feedback that we've received from the end users is very positive, and that the business are very happy with the results achieved by the solution.
The third question is, how do you estimate
what is your assessment of Ukrtransgaz team?
Realized the project?
I think the Ukrtransgaz project team is a critical success factor in what has been achieved to date. It's clear that there's a core team that know each other well, that understand each other well, that have worked very well together, that trust each other, and that really know their game when it comes to implementing SAP. It's clear that there's been significant effort applied over the past year in building the solution. The team worked very hard to achieve the success that they've made, and they've obviously been able to achieve the buy-in, the acceptance, and the support of the broader business community. So we are privileged to be exposed to such a hard-working team.
Please represent your team.
The team from Deloitte consisted of 6 individuals. The first one being myself. I lead the SAP practice for Deloitte in the Africa region. The second was Beverly Nell. Beverly conducted the review in the sales and distribution area. She has extensive experience, 14 years SAP experience from other organizations such as BHP Billiton, Transnet and Goldfields. The third consultant was Christian Bernardo. Christian has 13 years SAP plant maintenance experience and has also implemented SAP in large organizations including Saudi Aramco, Japan Airlines, and Sasol. The fourth resource is Hendrik Nienaber. Hendrik has 19 years SAP experience in large Southern African organizations, but also having worked in the United States for a period of time. The fifth resource is Zana from our Deloitte Moscow office. She's a senior manager with detailed experience of implementing SAP not only in Russia but also in Ukraine. She was, amongst others, implemented SAP for Nestle in the Ukraine. And our sixth resource is Tom Steen. Tom is a human resource specialist. He has 14 years SAP experience, and his previous clients include a number of large organizations both in South Africa and in Europe, where he lived for a number of years.